Welcome to Lesson 9 of GoMining Basics Course. You've made it this far. It's the final lesson of this course, and we kept the best news for the most patient and loyal users. You might think owning a digital miner is already a rewarding experience. But there is something else. Did you know there are ways to increase your net rewards without buying new miners or additional tokens? GoMining has a number of promos and discounts that our community can use to maximize their earnings. By the end of the lesson, you'll learn how to reduce maintenance fee costs, what promos you can participate in, and how to grow your mining power through benefit programs. Let's get it started. Maintenance discounts. Let's do a quick review. In previous lessons, we talked about how your daily rewards are calculated. Overall, it goes as follows. To calculate your daily net reward, we deduct the maintenance fees, which include fees for electricity and maintenance service, from your pool reward, taking into account all your maintenance discounts. Maintenance fees are calculated in USD and deducted from your net reward, based on that day's Bitcoin to USD exchange rate. Hence, the lower your maintenance fees, the more Bitcoin you keep as net reward. GoMining offers multiple ways to lower these fees. Some involve your miner setup, but others are based purely on your engagement with the platform. That means you can earn extra rewards without spending more money, simply by being proactive about using GoMining's features. Let's start with discounts, things that directly affect your total Bitcoin rewards. Maintenance in GoMining tokens discount. GoMining users can get up to 20% of maintenance discount if you pay the maintenance fees in GoMining token. On the maintenance discounts page, in token discount section, you'll find a special calculator that lets you choose your desired discount level. As you move the slider, you'll see exactly how many tokens you need in your wallet to reach that amount of discount at the next calculation. Both locked tokens and tokens held in your GoMining wallet count toward your discount. However, make sure you have enough unlocked tokens in your GoMining wallet to cover that day's maintenance fees. Service discount. To get a service discount, all you need to do is to show up daily, click Service button, and grow your discount to 3%. As you click the button, a 24-hour countdown starts. The more days in a row you click the button, the higher your discount. For each day in a row, you get a plus 0.3% discount, until you reach 3% discount in total. Once you reach it, you still need to click Service button daily before midnight UTC to keep your discount. VIP program discount. It's based on your personal VIP status. The higher your VIP status, the bigger your discount. For example, users will receive a 0.3% discount for the Bronze 2 VIP level and a 6% discount for the Maximum Elite level. Let's have a look at this example. John owns 2 miners with a total power of 18 terahashes. His VIP status is Silver 1. The maintenance discount at this level is 0.9%. You can check what discount you'll get once you reach a certain level on our VIP program page. Mining mode discount. All users of mining mode have an additional discount on maintenance fees. You don't have to do anything to activate it. The amount of the discount changes weekly as it depends on the burn and mint cycles of VE tokenomics and on VE GoMining voting results, and you can vote to have this discount increased. On top of giving discounts, we favor active engagement with our ecosystem. Our users can take part in various promos and contests, and get additional tokens for participation. Let's have a look at what you can do to join the community of most active and loyal users. Referral program. The GoMining referral program allows you to earn rewards by inviting friends to use the platform. You receive rewards for your referrals actions, such as creating new miners, upgrading them, and using boosts in the Miner Wars game. Rewards are credited in GoMining tokens, which can be used for future purchases on the platform, covering maintenance costs, or boosting your performance in Miner Wars. You can invite friends using your unique referral link or referral code, available on the referral program page. Special conditions apply. For more information, visit our FAQ page and our product guides. Ambassador Program. The Ambassador Program allows users to become GoMining ambassadors and receive additional rewards for the electricity fees paid by their referrals. Ambassador, an active user of the GoMining service who aims to participate in its development, positively influence the image of the service, attract new users, and views this as an opportunity for stable passive long-term income. To become an ambassador, you need to meet several requirements, such as complete KYC, identity verification, own a miner with a power of at least 1 terahash, fill out a special ambassador form, complete the verification process. Once these requirements are met and moderation is passed, you will receive a notification about your ambassador status. Bounty Program. The Bounty Program is a way to earn GoMining tokens by completing various tasks. Any user registered with GoMining can join the Bounty Program. Owning a miner is not required, just log in and click the Participate button in the Bounty section. Participants complete tasks and accumulate points, which determine their share of the prize pool at the end of each cycle and epoch. Points are awarded for completing tasks within weekly cycles. All points earned by participants in a cycle are pooled and used to distribute the weekly prize fund in tokens. Points accumulated across all cycles in an epoch determine the final prize pool distribution, with the epoch leaderboard continuously summing up points earned throughout the epoch. What tasks are available? At the launch of the Bounty program, tasks are available in 2 categories. Referral-based tasks. These tasks are tied to the referral program and involve bringing in new users and their purchases. In addition to earning Bounty points, you will also receive standard referral rewards. Tasks available via social networks. These tasks require linking your social network, for example Telegram or X, account and are completed within the GoMining community. Some tasks may have limits on the number of times they can be completed per cycle or epoch. You can stay updated on the latest available tasks in your GoMining account. Raffles. GoMining raffles are promotional campaigns that give you extra rewards for purchases and actions you already make in the app. Participation in a raffle is always tied to qualifying transactions, like buying miners or upgrades. You never pay an additional fee or place a wager to join, your regular purchases and actions automatically generate raffle tickets. Each raffle has its own rules, but the more tickets you have, the higher your chances of winning. At the end of the raffle, winners are picked randomly based on a transparent blockchain-based algorithm. Prizes can include GoMiners that are digital avatars, tokens, and other exclusive rewards. This way, raffles add a fun and rewarding layer on top of your usual app activity. To join the raffle, you must confirm your participation by tapping the Take Part button in the specific raffle. If you haven't confirmed, your tickets still accumulate, they'll be counted once you join the raffle. Additionally, we run contests, competitions where users complete specific tasks to climb the leaderboard and win prizes. The leaderboard ranks participants based on their performance in the contest, for referring new users, purchasing power, etc. Users need to complete the contest task as much as possible, depending on the rules. The more you contribute, the better your chances of ranking high. Each contest has a set of prizes for the top participants. The number of winners and reward details are listed on the contest pages. In most cases, prizes are credited automatically to your account. If manual claiming is needed, a Claim Prize button will appear on the contest page. Now that you know how to boost your rewards, you've officially mastered the essentials of GoMining. This wraps up our GoMining Basics course, your first milestone in understanding how the ecosystem works and how to make the most of it. Keep exploring, keep learning, and stay tuned for our advanced lessons as you continue your crypto journey with GoMining.